Just a quick video for anybody that might be looking at a turnmaster lathe. This is a 1340 model. I don't apologize, I sound kind of dumb on video, at least I think I do. Maybe not, but I guess maybe everybody thinks they do. It does metric and inch threads. Runs up to 2000 RPM. Couple of controls here. This is your feed direction, coolant, emergency stop, of course, toggle. This is a button I added for the speed for the VFD. And of course you have your settings for your change gears. Foot stop brake. Great thing to have. Comes with a micrometer stop. At least from the factory they do. Excuse me. Comes with a 4-way, not the quick change, of course. One-shot oil system. Reverse. Direction. Cross slide. Just changes the direction of everything, makes it turn the opposite way. You don't have to change it at the other end of the lathe. And of course, stops really nice. I had it on some Lathe remote scales. They were pretty good. The only thing I don't like is the graduations on the dial. It actually moves you in a half thou, and that registers in thousandths of an inch movement. I also added on a tailstock scale. Very nice on blind holes. Comes with the splash pan, of course. Slide out tray. And that's what I'm running it with. First one there, the big gray one, that runs the lathe itself. And then the second one is for the coolant, which comes up through here. And it does a pretty nice turning job. This is a Jacobs flex collet chuck that I made. All that stainless, except for the cast iron back plate. And I made stainless pins here. That's all made. All shop produced. And there's my 13 by 36 south bin. Unfortunately, it's a table right now. It's cleaned off. Got 2 tumblers there. Wells index mill. Very nice. A little bit heavier than a Bridgeport. Very good find if you can get one. Drill press. Not sure of the brand. This is an old Fairbanks 20-inch drill press. Kind of a little brother of Mr. Fenner's. Unfortunately, table space right now. That does not have a motor. And I am working on retrofitting that variable speed motor in. My homemade air compressor. It's an old Kellogg compressor, 50 CFM. In the next video I'll show you the mill, and I also have a 7-inch shaper.